your health. Ganun talaga, out of ano.
Why can't you speak in Filipino? Your dad is American?
Yes.
Your mom's Filipina?
No.
No, oh. Your mom's American also?
Yes.
Why did you join AA Kids?
Wow.
You like to be an artist?
Yes.
Wow.
Like who? You have an idol?
Yes.
Who?
Like Garfield? Charles. Ano naman siya? How about Scooby-Doo? Where are you?
What are your talents?
Singing and dancing.
Okay, what did you do best? Singing or dancing?
Singing.
Okay. Can you sing a song?
Yes.
Yes.
I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid. Just let me show you true colors. Beautiful, like a rainbow.
Okay. Thomas, can you dance?
Yes.
Okay, can you give us a sample? Alright, we'll play music, then dance, okay? Okay, okay, Go. Oh.
Thomas, can you smile?
Can you show us your teeth? In 2 hours.
Thank you, Thomas.
Yeah.
Thomas, you're how old?
Ang taray ka na pala, you're how old?
7.
7. Wow! You're 7, but okay, very good. Thank you, Beth. Diba? Madali lang naman